Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and inspecting parts. This saves time later. Use a small flat tool and tweezers under bright light to lift any loose pieces and lay the keycap, retainer, and clips on a clean surface. Once done, determine whether you have a scissor clip, metal wire, or a rubber dome. That dictates reassembly. Make sure nothing is cracked. If a piece is broken, stop and order a replacement part before continuing so you don't force damage. You now handle the delicate retainer. Place the bottom half into its mounting slots, then align the top half over it. Once aligned, gently snap the halves together until you hear soft clicks. This secures the hinge. If you have a metal wire, seat its ends in the notches, then press the center so it locks. Take your time. Proper alignment ensures even travel and prevents later popping. If resistance feels wrong, back out and realign rather than forcing the pieces. You finish by centering the keycap over the reinstalled retainer, then pressing straight down with even force until it snaps into place. Do not press at an angle. After seating, press the key several times and type in a text field to confirm travel and reliable actuation. If it feels mushy or doesn't register, remove the cap and inspect the retainer or switch orientation. Troubleshooting tip: if the retainer is cracked, order the exact replacement piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.